here's Kanji.
Just scheduling a meeting with an attorney could cost you a pretty penny, but Memphis Area Legal Services is offering the Mid-South a chance to get some legal advice, and it won't cost you a dime. To learn more, we are live with attorney Rebecca Hines and Assistant Federal Public Defender David Bell. Thanks for your job listings every year.
Absolutely.
Every week.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Anyway, so all right, let's talk about what you guys are doing. So Rebecca, what kind of legal advice are you offering, and how does this all work?
Kanji, we offer all sorts of legal advice. So whatever problem you may have, you don't know whether it's a legal issue or not, you just want to come talk and ask questions, we're here for you. So we're talking divorce, child custody, immigration, bankruptcy, personal injury, property damage, anything you could think of that you may have a question about and you don't know if you have a legal answer, we're here to talk to you about it. We also have interpreter services available, so if you're concerned about particularly Spanish language, if you're concerned about being able to communicate, we have that resource available, and we encourage you to come as well.
Okay, so I know that you have your number there, but this is a specific date and time where it's set aside for attorneys to sit down with folks, kind of like a panel of attorneys. David, should people attending bring everything with them, like paperwork, that kind of stuff?
Sure, they can. They can bring anything that they want to that they think might be helpful. But I want to be clear that you don't have to come just because you have a lawsuit. Even if you have the smallest legal question, what kind of office to go to, where to file a complaint, what kind of paperwork needs to be filled out for Social Security disability claims, any sort of problem, even if you think it's small, we will have people there to answer questions. But sometimes that stack of paperwork gets pretty heavy. Bring that too. We will have someone there to talk to you about your problem.
Rebecca, why do you say that this is a really important clinic?
Well, a number of reasons. I think Midtown is an area that maybe isn't as well served as others. There are resources downtown, there are resources in South Memphis and North Memphis, but in the center of the city in Midtown there's a gap in coverage, and so we felt it was important to provide a place for people to come, warm, friendly place. People brag about our clinic because they're greeted with all arms and with a smile, and sometimes with a coffee and a donut.
Stop, not the donut. Wow.
So we have a very friendly, loving clinic, which is reflective of Idlewild Presbyterian Church, which is where this is hosted. But it's really about that geography and the friendly face that makes our clinic different.
Okay, David, talk to me about that day. As far as, you come in, are you going to sit around all day, or how does that work?
Well, so Idlewild is right across the street from that Midtown Kroger on Union Avenue.
The Kroger.
You know, that Kroger. And people show up, usually they start showing up around 9:30, and they get in line, we bring them in. There's paperwork that they have to fill out.
Okay.
And while they're filling out that paperwork, we have volunteers who are helping them figure out what their problem is. And then those volunteers go and talk to the attorneys and say, okay, we've got someone with this type of problem or this type of problem. And they match an attorney or a legal professional with that particular person to give them help. So usually people aren't waiting any more than 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes to meet with an attorney, sometimes quicker.
This is unbelievable. You've done this before. Okay, so let's just tell people the time so they can come out on the 23rd.
That's right. So it's this Saturday, March 23rd from 10 a.m. to noon. Like David said, people start sometimes lining up around 9:30. It's at Idlewild Presbyterian Church, that's 1750 Union, right across from the Kroger.
All right. Now, Rebecca Hines, David Bell, thank you so much. How many attorneys are going to be there?
Oh, it depends.
Around 20.
Okay.
We're thinking around 20.
At least. Sometimes, more show up. So.
Okay. All right. Well, we really appreciate your time and what you're doing for the community.
Thank you so much for having us.
Okay.